Hi! In front of me is Nokia T10, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then select this little eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!